I think there are problems when anybody is cutting hair, but when you're looking at certain companies that teach hair cutting, that the foundation is hair cutting, they're teaching step by step, and they're teaching, lines, points, and angles. They're teaching what's in the cosmetology book. Really, they're not creating anything different. Most of it's in our books, in our Milady book or Salon Fundamentals. And we just kind of pick up hair and cut it. I see that because Instagram and Facebook, because somebody makes something look good, then we think that they're a hair cutting specialist, and they're really not, because they probably don't know the parts of the shears. They just they get there, and I think people think that it's okay if they just get there. Then it doesn't matter whether they know the parts of the shears or whether they did it proper or anything like that. So I really see the industry changing as far as that goes. So I think it's changing. And I think that that's really why they want to deregulate the industry, because they think that it's just anybody can do it.